Greetings to everyone, and welcome to Omicron IoT Solutions. Today, we will teach you how to use the captive portal of the ContraLog Mini, exploring how to configure its inputs and outputs, establish a connection with our partner Ubidots cloud platform, and optimally connect it to Wi-Fi networks. From your device, whether a computer or a phone, open the Wi-Fi settings and look for the network generated by the ContraLog Mini. This network usually has a default name that you can easily identify. Select this network and enter the password. Once connected, open a web browser and enter the device's default IP address. This will automatically redirect you to the ContraLog Mini's captive portal. In the captive portal interface, you will see several options. Go to the Configure Wi-Fi section and select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect the ContraLog Mini to. Enter the main network's password and confirm the changes to establish the connection. Wait a few seconds, and you will be able to verify that the device is correctly connected to the main Wi-Fi network when the successful connection message appears on the screen. To send data to the Ubidots platform, access the Cloud Settings section within the captive portal. Here, you can enter the platform's URL and the token to access the API, as well as define the time interval in which the information will be published to the server. The ContraLog Mini allows the configuration of different types of inputs. To access this configuration, select the Input Settings option in the captive portal. When selecting any of the analog input options, you will see the real-time value of the input and can assign it a name. Additionally, you can select the type of input. You can also configure parameters to adjust the base measurement value, define the calibration slope, set threshold values for alarm activation, and determine the time that elapses before the alarm is triggered. In any of the digital input options, you will see the real-time value of the input, assign it a name, and select its type from digital input. Additionally, you can configure edge detection, active high or low. To configure the ContraLog Mini's outputs, access the Output Settings section in the captive portal. Here, you can configure both relay outputs and the digital output. You will be able to see the real-time value of the output, assign it a name, and define its control function type. Additionally, you can select the input signal that will control the output and define the on-off control function type. You can also adjust hysteresis values, activation and deactivation times, and define the proportional, integral, and derivative constants of the PID controller. To check relevant information about the ContraLog Mini, go to the More Information section in the captive portal. Here, you can see the device's MAC address and the currently installed software version. And that's it. You have successfully configured the captive portal of the ContraLog Mini. Make sure to follow our channels to learn more about the ContraLog Mini. Follow our other videos and discover more about Omicron IoT solutions, our devices, and how to impact your business and industry through the IoT.